Hey developers, traditional coding is changing fast now. Natural language processing and AI are taking over. For years, developers have written code using languages like Python and Java, but tools like GitHub Copilot and OpenAI Codex are changing the game. Instead of writing complex code, you can now tell machines what to do in plain English, and AI generates the code automatically. This makes coding faster, easier, and more accessible to everyone, even those without programming experience. AI powered tools can also debug code, suggest improvements, and review security issues, reducing the need for manual fixes. NLP is a game changer because it saves time, helps teams work better, and makes coding more flexible instead of focusing on syntax. Developers can now spend more time solving real problems. Businesses and non programmers can also create applications by simply describing what they need, making software development more inclusive. However, there are challenges. Natural language can sometimes be unclear, leading to mistakes, and developers still need to understand the basics of coding to fix errors and ensure the code is secure. The future of coding is exciting. Soon you might describe an entire app in a few sentences, and AI could build it for you. In the future, AI will act as an assistant, helping developers write better code and optimize their work. While coding isn't disappearing, its role is shifting. Those who learn to use AI powered tools will stay ahead, while traditional coding alone may become less relevant. This isn't just about making coding easier, it's about creating smarter, faster, and more innovative solutions. So, get ready to work with AI and explore NLP tools. The way we code is changing, and it's time to embrace it. Are you ready for this new era of development?